Number 2. Bosch CS10. A powerful circular saw that will revolutionize your cutting experience. The 15-amp motor ensures fast, smooth cuts every time, making your projects a breeze. The adjustable bevel and depth levers allow you to tackle a variety of angles with ease, giving you the flexibility you need for any job. One of the standout features of the CS10 is the unmatched line of sight, which provides you with accurate cuts every time. This means no more guessing or second guessing, just precise cuts at any angle. The high-strength composite footplate adds an extra layer of safety and durability, giving you peace of mind while you work. What I love most about the CS10 is the comfortable and ergonomic design. The soft grip handle makes it easy to wield, even for extended periods of time. And the blower for dust control ensures a clean working environment, so you can focus on your project without any distractions. If I had to pick one thing I don't love about the CS10, it would be the weight. At 10.3 pounds, it's not the lightest circular saw on the market. However, the power and precision it offers more than make up for the slightly heavier build. Overall, the Bosch CS10 is a top-notch circular saw that will take your cutting game to the next level. Don't miss out on this incredible tool. Check it out today. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.